Next time it's your turn. Oh my god. I swear, I'm gonna buy something to watch. What?
Rosella, say hi to your channel.
What? Hey, what's up guys? It's Obi. We live here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, what's up guys? It's Obi. We live here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY video on how to make DIY snow. There's nothing major, it's only like 3-4 ingredients, and this video is inspired. I got this idea by my cousin. Shout out to her. Hello, cousin. And yeah, today we have a special guest. Say hi.
Hi.
And yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're in our DIY station. I told you only need like 3 or 4 ingredients. 3, right? 3 ingredients?
Mm-hmm.
4 steps?
No.
3. 3 ingredients. Right. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and first show the first ingredient we need.
A bowl.
Yes, a bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and need foam soap. It doesn't need to be foam soap, does it? No.
No.
No. No. Beach hand soap. Beach.
These beaches.
And all you need is some water. Okay. Okay, so what's the first thing we do again?
You pour water in the bowl.
You remember, right?
No.
You remember, right?
Not really.
We have to make bubbles, so like
Okay.
it doesn't matter how much water.
Oh, we didn't get something to stir with.
Go get something to stir with. I told you it's only like 4 ingredients. Go get something to stir it with, peasant. Hurry up with this. Okay, so only like a couple pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, that's fine. And then we mix it. Here, we mix it. Stop! Now we need more water up in this joint. I mean more soap.
I think we got too much water. Stop! Oh my god, we should have gotten Dawn.
Then go get Dawn. Alright guys, so we're back. So you need a spoon, a bowl. We're gonna redo it. Spoon, bowl. Show the rest.
Some hand soap
And some
crusty, dusty,
crusty, musty, dusty, crusty, musty, dusty.
Dawn.
Dawn. And then we need some water. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add the pumps. Oh yeah, get that pump with the bench press first. Move that stupid spoon away from
No,
here.
put it on the spoon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we're always doing this. 1, 2. Wait, then it's gonna be blue snow.
That's
4.
That's even
5,
cooler.
6, 7,
Okay.
8, 9, 10. 20 pumps of soap up in this joint. Oh my god, why is that giving me Elsa vibe? Wait, am I gonna spill? This video has so much bloopers. Go get a napkin. Go get a napkin. Go get a napkin, Alyssa. Oh my god. Here, you're in charge of doing the snow now.
God.
Okay, guys. So do not do what I just did. So, you know what to do. Add your pumps of soap.
This thing is liquidy.
So, we haven't added the water yet. Bro, why is it so much?
Bruh,
Okay, add like a couple more pumps. Go. Talk to them.
gonna add 3 more pumps of Dawn dish soap.
Okay, after we have that, I can actually come up here and show you too. Oh my god, it's the wrong way. Wait.
No, okay, look. Here it is.
So it's blue. It's blue. It's blue soap. Now, that means blue snow. Okay, so now you go add the water. My cousin Luciana said it doesn't matter how much.
No, don't put too much. We need bubble.
Stop spilling! Oh my god,
What's the fault? This is just how we get bubbles.
it's bubbles. It's bubbles! Can we name the snow?
Gerald.
Gerald!
I did it.
So once you got... Oh my god.
I am
Show them how
disgusted. It ain't.
Show them how it needs to look, Alyssa. Okay.
Oh no! This is how it's supposed to look.
Bubbly. Now move. Okay. It's supposed to look bubbly. Okay? So now we have that. And we have this. And now this is like... Oh, no. We're missing a part. We have to go ahead and drain it. No, I don't mean go ahead and grab the noodle drainer like an idiot. No. You're supposed to do it with your hand. So let's go. Get the camera.
Bestie.
Hype me up. Best friend, show me your moves. Okay.
Oh, I should probably flip this.
Oh my god, you can't flip it. You have to stop it. Oh my god! There's so many bloopers. Stop it! Okay, so you grab your hand like this, and then like you pour it out, and then the water should be coming out. But the soap shouldn't be coming out.
Basically, just drain all the water. It sounds like someone's peeing.
Don't mind the dirty dishes. Someone didn't wash them.
Why are you looking at me, cuz?
Hello, homie. Okay.
Oh, you did it. It's done.
Okay, so like, stop. So you have these. Oh, there's still water in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain it. So once you have that, you're gonna want to repeat that until you get as much like the amount of snow you want. And yeah,
This way?
stop.
Mm.
Stop.
Mm.
Stop.
Mm.
Stop.
Yeah. Mm.
I said stop, man. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we should have recorded this, but we added like just done like for more and like a spoonful and a half of water, and like oh my god, we're gonna have freaking blue snow. Wait, no, that's not bubbles. That's just liquid.
I'm more water.
That's too much. Dang.
Mm.
Oh my god. Chill.
Stop putting more soap.
Chill.
Oh my god, no more soap. Is that good enough for you?
Okay, that's good. Jeez. Okay, let's go. You're gonna drain the soap this time. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, bruh.
What's-
It's sticky.
What's up, bad babies? Alright, no. Like how I did it, like that.
Someone's peeing.
Is it done?
Yeah.
No, then just go like wipe it like that.
It's ASMR.
What are you doing? Okay, fine. Then that's all the snow we need. That's all the snow we need. Okay. Okay. So now you're gonna wanna like add this in your freezer for like about like.
Why did we sit back down if we're just gonna get back up?
Because I told you to sit down.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, show it. Okay, alright, there you go. So,
I hope that shows it because I can't see.
man, I never seen your freezer like this before. Listen.
It's bad.
I know. Okay, and then, bam! Pop it right in there for like, I don't know, about like 20, 25 minutes. And like,
What if that whole time they didn't see the freezer?
what? Okay, we'll see you guys when we have snow. Alright guys, so it's been like, how long?
20 minutes.
30 minutes.
30.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Come on, Pablo. Pablo, say hi, Pablo. Pablito. Okay, come on. That's her dog. Alyssa's new dog. Okay, I got that. We're gonna get the fridge. Ooh. Can you see? Oh my god. No! What are you about to become? Okay, so that's the snow. What?
It attracted ice cubes.
You can see. It attracted an ice cube. How lovely. I'm so bad at recording. So, here we go. Here it is. Take this stupid ice cube out. Alright. It's snow.
Oh my god, I want to touch it.
ASMR. Oh my god, it's snow.
Let me see. Oh, there's no way.
It's like I've never been in snow ever in my life, but
That's. You can't eat this. I'm sorry, Pablo. Rest on my lap.
oh my god, look at the texture. Look. Oh my god, wait. Woo, do you see that?
Dude, this is literally so cold.
After a while with playing with it, it's obviously gonna get like, soapy again, but also get the edges. Oh my god, look. Look, Alyssa. Alyssa, look. Alyssa.
She's gonna fall off. I'll be right back.
Oh my god. This works, but after a while, like touching it and stuff, it is gonna get back to its bubbly stuff.
What? I flipped your camera off. Bro.
You did?
Yeah.
What the heck you said? I know what to do with that when we edit it. The audio they put when it says "will to be continued" or "will we
Yeah.
will be right back." What's it called? I want to put that.
Oh, it's still recording? Did he poop?
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on post notification bells if you enjoyed this video. What? Oh, the idea.
Oh yeah, comment down below if you're a swaggy kid.
Oh, the other idea.
Comment down below if you think it's a good idea we start a little TV show.
Yes.
But on YouTube.
But on YouTube. Emphasize crack. Bye.